Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. In this video, I'm going to go over this Forever Goldy Arborvitae from the Southern Living Plant Collection. This is a new introduction. This is a gold foliaged upright Western Arborvitae, and I find that Western Arborvitaes, Green Giant has parentage from a Western Arborvitae. They tend to be a little bit more drought tolerant, a little bit tougher plants all around than the Eastern Arborvitaes like Emerald or DeGroots, which I have videos on my channel for Eastern Arborvitaes. Not saying they're not tough, but the Western Arborvitaes tend to hold up a little bit better once established to drought conditions. Obviously, you can see this has beautiful gold foliage, and one of the main things I want you to get from this is I'm shooting this video in the middle of August, and typically gold foliage conifers like this tend to bleach out by this time during the summer. And this is the reason this one was selected, as it just doesn't bleach out in the summertime. It's just as gold as it was any other time of the year. Typically, like I say, gold foliage conifers look the best in the winter and spring. By midsummer, kind of a bleached out look that I don't know is all that impressive. This one's very different. Forever Goldy is going to be best in the full sun. That's where you're going to get the best coloration on it. Look at this the newest foliage there. It's got a little bit of a reddish orange hue to it. It really looks fantastic. And then you can see the old typical of gold conifers. If you don't have them in the sun, which is the case with the interior of that plant, see how they are a little bit greener, but it creates that really nice two-tone coloration on it. These are going to be hardy in zone 5 to 8. They're listed 10 to 12 feet tall and 3.5 feet wide. I think they're going to go through get bigger than that in time for sure, but they're definitely maintainable in that 10-foot size range. Great border choice for you to use. I'd probably put them 4.5 feet apart, something like that, if you want to create a border between you and a neighbor. Good choice on the corner of a foundation. Really great choice for that. Going to look great with any kind of purple foliage or blue foliage plants. Like I say, drought tolerant once it's established. Pretty insect and disease resistant. And then most of these arborvitaes like this are considered deer resistant. I don't ever want to promise that on arborvitaes because some people do have them grazed occasionally if they have really heavy deer populations. So if you have that, I would probably buy one and then see how it goes. But this is just a beautiful, stunning. I kind of gasped when I took this thing out of the box. It was sent to me, and I kind of went, whoa. I mean, it's the middle of August. You just don't expect this from a gold conifer this time of year. But be on the lookout for this Forever Goldy Arborvitae from the Southern Living Plant Collection.